let's revise our sounds. I think you're getting used to it. It is easy, lemon squeezy. When you revise all that you have been doing, you will perfect your reading. Okay, let's say again. Everyone open your mouth and say A. Action. Always remember the action. This is A. And this is J. O. This is E. The donkey says E. And then O. Why does it do that? It is crying for grass, wanting to eat something, I think. E. O. Okay, let's try out some words. B. E. And it says B. And then we go to S. E. It says C. See what? See something? Eat. I'm going to meet my mother. I'm going to meet my friend. Okay, then we have O, says the donkey. E, when it's putting her ears up, and then O. And we say K. O. Corn. Have you ever eaten maize corn? It is yummy. Okay, today I want us to look at something very small, very fast, very fast, very fast. Oh my God, it is interesting. Once upon a time, you're looking at me. Once upon a time, I had a friend. And this friend had so many friends. He also had so many friends. And it loved sharing. And this was sound. Had friends. And she liked sharing with friends. So one time, came and he said, "Can I be your friend?" And I said, "Yes." So they came together and they walked together, walking with her. What sound do you think they're going to say? Do you think they're going to say "sa"? No. They went for a walk, reached the library, and guess what happened? Friends were reading, and they told them, "Shh, no noise. If you're here, shh, quiet." They went out annoyed and they said, "I am not his friend. How could he tell us to shh?" We had gone to talk to our friends. So they had to go home. Okay, let's go to my home. So one had to take the other to their home. Reaching home, Mommy was trying to make the baby sleep. And she was singing a song. "Hush, hush, hush, don't make a sound. Be quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired too. Shh, 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 shh." Oh, Mommy is also telling us the same thing. Shh is the sound. Shh is the sound. And I'm going to do like Mike the robot, you remember? Shh, up. What am I saying? Shh, up. And then let me say, shh, out. Short. Bravo, bravo. Thank you so much. Shh is the action. Shh is the action. These are our consonant digraphs. They are soft sounds. There is no vowel, but they don't say s. They say shh. See you next time.